A flood control structure built along Gandara River in Barangay Casab-Ahan has already been completed, according to the Department of Public Works and Highways Samar 1st District Engineering Office. The flood mitigating structure has a total length of 370 meters, left side has a length of 272 meters, while its right side has 98 meters, and a height of 3 meters, which connects to the initial flood control wall built in the area. Part of its scope of work includes a 1.6 meter wide walkway that runs along the same length as the structure itself, and a 0.8 parapet that serves as a protection wall for the residents of the barangay. The flood control structure will benefit the community with 1,291 population based on 2020 census, by reducing flood-related environmental impacts, especially during heavy rains. This project has total revised contract amount of 53.05 million pesos, funded under the General Appropriations Act for fiscal year 2023.